Welcome to Zoho Mail demo. It is your secure professional email solution built for modern businesses. In this video, we will take a quick tour of how Zoho Email helps to create your emails and to-do list, what you have to do and what calendar view, and we can have the contacts list view option also. So we will have to log in first to the Zoho workspace, and we will have the workspace of all the Zoho Mail, OneDrive in the one place. So log in into your Zoho workspace, click on the user ID, click on next, and you will see the password and all those things. Great. When you log in into your Zoho workspace, so you can see the mail here. So we can have the all those things. So let me walk through how to explain each session of Zoho Mail in the left sidebar one by one in a simple and clear way of your demo. So first is the Teams. So Teams all in the top. So Zoho Mail's built-in collaboration space. Here you can chat about emails with your team members instead of forwarding or replying. You can also create groups for different department and projects. First is Home. So shows Steam posters from all groups. So it is from groups of people started Steams here, and if you have invites or mentioned for you, the Steam is mentioned for you, or favorites are steamed by me. So like you have steamed to your groups or something, or if you have any attached Steams or creator, so it will be shown under the home space. And all unread. Displayed all unread posts across your all groups. So you can create a group also. You can set up a Steam group for discussion also. Next we have the folders. So folders consist of first is inbox, where you are all your new and received emails land. This is your main mail view. So you can drop a mail or something you have created a mail that you can see under the inbox. Next is drafts. Email you have written but haven't sent it is in the draft stage. So Zoho saves your work automatically as a draft. Next we have a templates. Stores reusable email templates. For example, if you are sending repetitive emails like welcome message or confirmation message, you can create a template and associate with the emails. Next we have a snoozed. Emails you have postponed to deal with later. So you want to deal a later of something, you can have a snoozed reminder like that. You have a sent. So it shows email you have already sent. Next we have a spam, emails flagged as unwanted or suspicious. Trash, emails you have been deleted, so it is in the trash stage. So items here you can still restore it before permanent deletion. Next is outbox, email queue to be sent, especially useful when there is a delay due to internet issue or something, it will be in the outbox. Next is a newsletter, automatically organizes the newsletter by if any professional or subscription email sent by any person, it goes to the newsletter. Next we have the notification. Stores like system generated alerts. If you have any creator meeting or something, it will comes to the notification. Next option, tag. Tag helps you to label and categorize emails beyond this just folders. So example, so if you create a new tag like client, internal or important like that, if you want to create tag for quick filters, you can create a plus icon, click like internal and select a tag color also. If you save this, the tag has been created here. So and then we can tag under the emails. So next we have the views option. So views help you to access specific types of email quickly. Like unread messages, filter only the unread messages for all folders. So these folders, if it is unread messages, we can have the unread messages. And all messages, a complete timeline of all your email regardless of messages. So what your messages is for all folders, it will give you the folder wise. So if it is a flagged or achieved also. So this is in the left corner. Next we are going to see what are the new mail. If you create a new mail, what are the options are associated in the new mail. So you have to associate it to email and CC and subject of the mail. And we have the attachment of the file, and if you have to record audio, we can record the audio. If you have integrated with the Zoho OneDrive, we can have the attachment of OneDrive files also, and then we can have the format of the cells. And if you click on more option, we can add the images and add the link. So even if you want to add the table, you can add the table here, and spell check, and you can have the smiley check also. So it is be, so if you want to edit the HTML, so code, you want to add the HTML code and send to them, you can add the HTML code also. So like this features you have in the creating new. Next is the mail productivity tab tools, which is integrated inside a Zoho Mail. So first is a tab of Zoho Mail. So we have this takes you inbox, draft, folders as I discussed in the earlier. So this will shows you all the mails content. And next is calendar, where you can schedule meetings and set reminders, manage your work daily. So you can even share your teammates your calendar and sync with your other apps like Zoho CRM or Google Calendar. And then we have a to-do list. So this to-do app help you to stay on top of your task and add the reminders, and make the task as complete or from within your mailbox only. So we can add the task and all those things in your workspace in the single platform. So we can create a task like this and assign a person, assign a description, subtask also, and save the task. Next, we have the notes. Needs to quickly something down or use notes to save ideas, meeting points, or something. Follow up your new notes to sync across devices also. Next, we are going to see the notification. What are the notification if you have received? You can see the notification here. And we have a settings option. In the settings option, you can see under the calendar by settings and mail by settings, you have a integration notification, and what is the folder is arrived and what is the filter is there. And we have a signature option also. If you have create any signature or something like that, give a signature name and what is a signature you have to associate and place under the quoted content or below the content, so you can update the signature. And if you want to create groups or shared email, so we can have in the settings. Last, we have to see the right corner of calendar settings, and if it has any attachment of Zoho OneDrive, we can also view the Zoho OneDrive. And if you want to add a notes or something, we can have a add notes button. And then if you want to want to update any announcement or something, we have announcement. And if you want to sign out to your profile, click on the profile and click on the sign out, we can have the sign out button.